Alright, hey, welcome back to RToD. Got a very special Macintosh short video because we got mail. Earlier this week, there was a post on Reddit saying, hey, I got this old Apple Ethernet card for an LC, who can use it? I jumped on that and said, look, I'm restoring an LC right now. I'd love to have this in the collection. It's gonna get used, it's not gonna sit in somebody's shelf, and they were quick on shipping it out to me. So here we are, we're gonna do an unboxing of this. And I really like the brown box aesthetic that Apple had in the 90s. This is just really cool, right? It's a very clean look. I love this. I have a brown box mic. I just think this is a really cool design. So the box does have some writing on it. Looks like there was some tape damage here, but it's in really good shape. Maybe it was taped shut at one time. So let's do my first RToD unboxing. Slide this out and let's see what we have inside. Looks like it comes with everything. So here is our Apple computer warranty card. Software license. It's nice. Nice thick paper, really good. What you would expect. LC Twisted Pair user guide. Yep, so telling you to go into the PDS connector, and of course you have to remove your expansion connector opening. Pretty straightforward. But this is what we want to see. Here is still sealed. Do I have my knife? I don't. So we'll use some scissors and try to not damage this too much. Or maybe it'll just peel off. I'd like to try to save this sticker. Perfect. Look at that. First time this has been opened since it was sealed, likely. So there we are. Brand new, almost brand new Apple Ethernet LC Twisted Pair card. 1994. That PCB looks great. Really, really clean. Exactly what you'd expect. We're going to put this to the side. The last thing we have is the steel sealed software installer. But what we're going to do, even though I'm still working on this LC, we're going to at least install it into the machine so it's there. Alright, so here's my LC. I do have a cap kit. We're going to replace all the capacitors on this. Do have a blue SCSI, so we're going to get rid of this. This drive, I actually had to use some real mechanical agitation to get this to turn over, but it does boot. It just needs a little bit of encouragement. So the first thing we're going to have to do is remove this cover. See, that's where the Ethernet would come out on the back. All you have to do is squeeze these two plastic tabs. You're going to have the plastic part, and then you're going to have the metal bracket. So we don't lose those, I'm going to keep them in this box. And then after that, it's really just sliding this in and getting it seated on that PDS. And it's that simple. And we do have a plastic riser there to keep it level. And there you go. My LC has Ethernet. How great is that? And again, thank you to the individual who sent it to me. We'll keep your username out of this unless you want me to put it in the comments below. Really appreciate you sending it out, and quickly too. I am going to do a video on the rest of the restoration on this LC. Won't be in time for Macintosh, but it will be out, so you will see this again. So like I said, hey, that's going to be a pretty short video. I wanted to share this because you really, in the 90s, we really didn't think about unboxing, right? Of course, there was no social media, so we weren't recording ourselves unboxing anything. But I remember, relatively mundane accessories, just ripping open the box, installing them, and that was the end of it. So, it's pretty special to be able to experience an opening like this, like you would have in 1993, 1994, when you would have bought this new. So that's going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching. Happy Macintosh. If you like what you're doing over here, like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time.